Mm. He pressed the food.
Awesome.
Paige, any drink?
What in the world?
Oh, okay, Mom. Huh?
Oh.
Gabriel Austin.
What?
Gabriel Austin.
You think? Do you think?
Yeah, I think it's a dog.
Are you sure?
It feels like a dog.
Oh,
It's so cute. Oh, dear. It's so cute.
let me see.
It's a boy. It's a boy. Oh, dear. Okay, Gabriel. Gabe, calm down. Gabe, calm down. There you go. Oh, this Yorkie's so cute. Okay. Oh, Yorkie. Okay, Gabe, let's kiss a second.
I think he likes you.
Gabe. Hey, Gabe, you're so cute. He smiled. He likes me. You're a cute doggy. Cute doggy.
Hi, mister.
Mister. Yeah, you're a cute dog, aren't you? Oh, I'm so glad we got the Yorkie. Can we let him sniff around for a while?
Yeah.
Let's see who this is to.